Good afternoon, students. Again, welcome back to my channel, Exac City. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the task 2 essay questions which you need to practice for 5th February 2022. If you booked your exams by 5th February, in the sense, you can just use this video to practice for your essay questions. So, the complete prediction for the LRW section is available now in our playlist regarding the 5th February. I will provide the link in the description. We have academic and general module on the same date. So these questions are for your practice purpose. Don't expect the same question, that completely based on your luck. So try to prepare with the topics. It will really help you out in your real exam. So let's start with our video. So the first topic, travel and tourism. Nowadays, many people travel to foreign countries for pleasure. Some believe this travel has a negative impact on the countries travel to. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under to what extent you need to write about the agreement and disagreement side. Next one, urbanization. Some believe it is important for cities and towns to invest heavily in building large outdoor public places like parks, squares and all. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to write about the agreement and disagreement side, the importance of open places like this and also the demerits of that you can write. Next one, food. Some countries import a large amount of food from other parts of the world. To what extent is it a positive or negative trend? So you can be in one side if you think it only have positive in the sense, or else you can write about positive and negative sides. Moving on to the next topic, media. Some people say that all popular TV programs should aim to educate viewers about important social issues. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? So here also you need to explain about the benefits and drawbacks of doing that. That means if they are publishing the social issues means. Next one, sports and games. Some countries invest in specialized sports facilities for top athletes but not for the average person. Is this a positive or negative element? So here also you can be in one side, or else you can write about both the side. Next one, fashion and clothing. In many countries, people wear more modern dress, that means western style clothes like suits and jeans, than their traditional clothings. Why? Is it a positive or negative element? Coming under two-part type, you need to answer for the question why also in the first body, and second body you can mention about your opinion. Next one, globalization. Some people think the spread of multinational companies and globalization produce positive outcome for everyone. Do you agree or disagree with the statement? It's coming under one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree. Next one, crime and punishment. Many scientists believe that now we can study the behavior of a 3-year-old child to see whether they will grow up to be criminals. To what extent do you think crime is determined by human nature? Is it possible to stop children from growing up to be criminals? You need to answer for both the part of the question. It's coming under two-part type or direct question. Next one, work. Some companies have uniforms for their staff which must be worn at all times. What are the advantages for a company having a uniform? Are there any benefits of having a uniform for the staff? Here also coming under direct question. That means two-part question. You need to answer for both the part of the question. Next one, online shopping. Online shopping is significantly increasing. What effect does this have people? What are the demerits and what are the job opportunities? So you need to mention about the effect, about the demerits and also about the job opportunities. Next one, youngsters. In some countries, young people are encouraged to work or travel for a year between finishing high school and starting university studies. Discuss the advantage and disadvantage for young people who decided to do this. It's coming under discussion only type. You need to write the advantages and disadvantages into different body paragraph. Next one, peer pressure. Young people are often influenced by their peers. This is called peer group pressure. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Coming under outweigh category, you need to give more importance towards any particular side. That means in two different body paragraph, if you are writing the advantage means in the third body you can write a disadvantage. Next one, internet. The personal information of many individuals is held by large internet companies and organizations. Do you think the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? So here also if you think the advantages are more, in the sense you can arrange that in two different body paragraph, and third body disadvantages. Next one, related to business. In the past, more people worked for small businesses while more people work now for large businesses. What are the advantages and disadvantages of working for large businesses. So here also you need to write about the advantages and disadvantages in two different body paragraph. Next one, urban and rural. Young people are leaving their homes for rural areas to study or work in the cities. What are the reasons? Do the advantages of this development outweigh its disadvantages? Coming under two part again, you need to write the reasons and also about the advantage and disadvantage side. Next one, old age. Nowadays, more and more older people who need employment have to compete with younger people for the same job. What problems does it cause and what are the solution? It's coming under situational type. That means problem solution. You need to write about the problem and solution. Next one, transportation. Car drivers and cyclists share the same road, and this can cause problems for both of them. Why is this the case? What measures can be taken to solve this problem? Again, coming under problem solution, you need to write why is the case. That means what are the causes and also about the solution. Next one, culture and tradition. Some people think that young people should follow the tradition of their society. Others think young people should be free to behave as individuals. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. Coming under discussion with opinion category. So whenever they are asking for discussion with opinion, try to arrange your opinion in third body. Next one, language. Some people think government should spend money on measures to save languages with a few speakers from dying out completely. Others think this is waste of financial resources. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. Next one, mobile phones. Some people believe that mobile phone conversation should be banned in crowded and social places. Others disagree. Again, discuss both views and state your opinion. As I mentioned, try to discuss in the first and second body and give your opinion in third body. You can be in one side or else you can write your opinion in balanced form. Next one, related to world issues. Overpopulation in urban areas have led to numerous problems. Identify one or two serious ones and suggest ways that government and individual can tackle these problems. So here you need to write one or two problems in the first body paragraph, and second body you can write about the individual level solution, and third body about the government level solution because they specially mentioned about that. Next one, people and characteristics. Some people think that it is good to be ambitious. How important is to be ambitious? Do you think it's a good characteristics? Coming under two-part type of question again, you need to answer for both. Next one, environment. Some think that current generation should take steps to protect the environment for the next generation. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Coming under opinion type. Next one, education. Many educational institutions give greater importance to subjects related to science and ignore subjects such as drama and literature. Is this a positive or negative development? Again, opinion type. You can be in one side or else you can write about both. Next one, music. Some people think that the most important function of music is to help people relax. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Again, to what extent type, that means you can write about the importance of music as a relaxation technique and also about the other uses. Next one, world issues. In many countries, plastic containers have become more common than ever and are used by many food and drink companies. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Coming under outweigh category, try to give more importance to either advantage or disadvantage as per your perspective. Next one, communication technology. In many workplaces, online communication is now more common than face-to-face meetings. Do the advantages of this trend outweigh the disadvantages? Again, outweigh type of question, give importance to any particular side. So whenever they are asking for outweigh type, third body is mandatory. Next one, child development. Discipline is an ever-increasing problem in modern schools. Some people think that discipline should be the responsibility of teachers, while other people think that it is the role of parents. Discuss both the argument and try to give your opinion in detail in third body. Next one, health. Some people think that the best way to stay fit is to join the gym or health club, while others think doing everyday activities such as walking and climbing stairs is sufficient. Discuss both the argument and try to give your opinion. Next one, university students. Today, more and more full-time university students focus on other activities rather than spend a lot of time studying. Some people think it is essential for university students to be involved in other activities like extracurricular activities like sports or any other programs. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So try to mention about the importance of studies and also about the other activities, extracurricular activities, because they asked in the form of to what extent. Next one, international aid. Some people think that government should not spend on international aid because there are disadvantaged people in their own countries such as unemployed and homeless. Do you agree or disagree? That is one-sided opinion essay, agree or disagree. Next one, animal extinction. Human activities have negative effect on plants and animal species. Some people think it is too late to do anything about this problem. Others believe that effective measures can be taken to improve the situation. Discuss both the argument and try to give your opinion in detail. Next one, education. Some people believe that purpose of education should be helping the individual to become useful for society, while others believe it should help individuals to achieve their ambitions. Discuss both the argument and try to give your opinion. Next one, again discussion with opinion types, sports and games. Some people believe that the Olympic Games help bring people from different nations together, while others claim that holding the Olympics waste money which could be used for important issues or important aspects. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. Next one, youngsters and celebrities. Many people are copying celebrities from magazines and on TV. Why is this happening? Do you think it's a good idea to copy celebrities? So again, two-part type of question. You need to give reasons and what do you think? That means second part is about your opinion. So the next one, art. Art is considered an essential part of all cultures throughout the world. However, these days, fewer and fewer people appreciate art and turn their focus on science, technology and business. Why do you think that is? What could be done to encourage more people to take an interest in the art? It's coming under problem solution essay or situational type of question. So you need to give reasons and also the solutions. So the next one, natural resources. Demand for gas and oil is increasing, and so finding new resources in remote and untouched areas is necessity. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? Coming under outweigh category. Next one, people and characteristics. Some people argue that it is best to accept a bad situation such as unsatisfactory job or shortage of money. Others believe that it is better to try and improve such situations. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion in detail. So whenever you are explaining your opinion, the example is not so mandatory. Okay, in first and second body you can give examples. Next one, buildings. Some people believe that the government should spend on new public buildings such as libraries and museum rather than renovating all buildings. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Coming under to what extent type, so you need to write about the importance of modern building, that means new building, and also about the renovation of old ones. Next one, economy and money. In some countries, a few people earn extremely high salaries. Some people think that it is good for a country, while others believe that the government should control salaries and limit the amount people can earn. Discuss both the argument and try to give your opinion. Next one, history. Some people say that history can little or nothing to offer, while others say that a study of the past help the present. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. Next one, subject selection. In schools or universities, girls prefer subject related to art and boys prefer subject related to science. Should the tendency be changed? What is your opinions? Coming under two-part type of question, you need to answer for both the part of the question. Next one, family and relations. Some people believe that the whole family, that means including grandparents, uncle, aunts and all, bringing up children is better than only parents. What is your opinion? This is called direct opinion type question. So nowadays they are asking these type of question. So don't be confused. It's same like do you agree or disagree. Okay, next one, materialism. It has been suggested that everyone in the world wants to own a car, a TV and a fridge. Do you think the disadvantages of such a development outweigh the advantages? So here, if you think the disadvantages of materialism or material possession is more, means you can arrange that into different body and advantage in third body. Next one, related to space research. Living on Earth would become difficult in the future, so more money should be spent on researching other planets to live, like Mars. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to write about the agreement and disagreement side, importance of researching about other planets and also about the importance of living in Earth. That means how we can able to maintain a good life in Earth itself. Next one, advancement in technology. In the past, lectures were used as a way of teaching a large number of students, but now with the development of technology for education, many people think there is no justification for attending lectures. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the opinion? So here you can write about the importance of attending the lecture, that means about the traditional classroom program and also about the other distance courses. Next one, information technology. Some people think that public libraries are not necessary, whereas others believe that they are essential for people. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So you can write about the importance of public libraries and also about the other internet sources. Next one, leisure activities. Leisure is a growing industry, but people no longer entertain themselves as much as they used to because The use of modern technology has made them less creative. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree, one-sided. And next one, communication technology. Communication through text messaging and other instant form of online communication are short and basic. Some people think this will be the death of grammar and spelling. So do you agree or disagree? Here also, either you can agree or you can disagree. Next one, people and society. Nowadays it is common for people to get married in their 30s rather than when they are younger. Do you agree or disagree that this trend will benefit the society? So here also you can be in one side. Next one, government role. Some people think that the government is wasting money on arts and that this money could be better spent elsewhere. That means for public services and all. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to write about the importance of art and also about the other services. That means public favorable services. Next one, social medias. With the development of online communication, people will never be alone and will always be able to make new friends. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Coming under to what extent? Next one, traffic and transport. The most effective way to solve traffic and transport problem in the cities is to discourage people from the suburb or the countryside from moving to the cities. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So you need to write the benefit and also drawback of migration of people from rural to urban areas. Next one, news medias. Most people these days prefer getting news online to reading newspaper or watching TV. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? So here also you can be in one side or else you can write about the positive and negative side. So the next one, environmental problems. The key solution for the environmental issues is for the current generation to live a less comfortable life for to benefit to the future generation. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Coming under to what extent type of opinion. So you can write about the agreement and disagreement in detail. So the next one, marketing. In some countries, fast food restaurants and supermarkets give money to schools to promote their products. Do you think this is a positive or negative element? You can be in one side or else you can write about the positive and negative side. So the next topic, related to machine automation. Today more and more people use robots to do tasks at home and at work. Do you think this is a positive or negative element and why? So coming under two-part type of question. First, you need to write about your opinion. Second, about the reasons behind this particular trend. Next one, advertisements. People buy a product if it fulfills their needs. There is no need for advertisement. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this? So you can write about the need of advertisement and also about the other side. So that's all about your essay question. So try to collect some points in general which can be applicable for all the type, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon nearby to get the notification regarding the current updates. And if you are interested, means you can join for our online classes. So thank you so much and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.